Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI Total PSA reagent kit to analyze the total PSA levels in blood samples. Here we can see the Snibe brand name, and this is the product name MAGLUMI Total PSA CLIA chemoluminescence immunoassay. In this reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABI label, 25 ml diluent, 2 ml internal quality control. And we can see also the reference number 130201004M, then lot number, then expiry date also. Here is the pictorial representations of instructions manual. Do not store direct sunlight. We can maintain this product 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. In this reagent kit, we can upload done under test. This is a CE certificate approved IVD product, and these are the manufacturer details of this product. This is a total front view of this product. Here we can see the side view of this product. In this side view, we can see the Snibe brand name. On the other side view, we can see the product name MAGLUMI Total PSA, then reference number 130201004M, then lot number, then expiry number. And the back view, we can see the Snibe brand name. Here is the total representative of this product. Here we go for open this product. Then what are the containers in this kit? In this reagent kit, it contains 1 inch here we can see the Snibe brand name, then product name MAGLUMI Total PSA CLIA method, and also see certificate, then reference number 130201004M for under test kit. In this instruction manual, we can see the intended use, summary and explanation of the test, principle of the test, kit components, and many more procedures. All are in this instruction manual. Total of 4 pages. We can keep aside this instruction manual. The next one is quality control information. For this PSA kit, we have a quality control information. We can see the Snibe brand name, then MAGLUMI Total PSA product name. These are the quality informations for this product reagent kit. We keep this aside. The next one is MAGLUMI reagent steel sticker for PSA reagent kit. We keep aside this. The next one, control stickers. Total 4 number of control stickers for the control solution. Here we can see the total PSA internal quality control sticker. We can keep aside this. Next one, QC certificate. This certificate is provided by Snibe for this reagent kit. We keep aside this. The next product is control solution. Here we can see clearly they mention total PSA internal quality control solution. Also see the product name MAGLUMI. Here also we can see the expiry date also, lot numbers. This control solution have 2 ml. Here we can see clearly volume 2 ml. You can keep aside this. The next product is reagent kit, MAGLUMI Total PSA reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer solution, 12.5 ml ABI label, 25.0 ml diluent. And we can also see the product name MAGLUMI Total PSA. This is a IVD product. Here we can maintain this product under 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. You can also see the manufacturing details. This is a front view. This is a top view. Here we can see the back view of this product. This is a total representation of this product. Here we go for summary. This is a Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Total PSA reagent kit, chemoluminescence immunoassay. This MAGLUMI reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 2.5 ml calibrator low, 2.5 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABI label, 25.0 ml diluent, 2 ml internal quality control. And also you can see the reference number 130201004M. These are the products contents in this kit. Here we first see the instructions manual. This is a quality control information for this MAGLUMI Total PSA kit. This is a MAGLUMI reagent still stickers, total 3 numbers. This is a QC certificate for this reagent kit. This is a total PSA internal quality control sticker, total 4 NOS. And this is a control solution. This is a reagent kit. Thank you.